morning. This is lesson 66 of the Course in Miracles. And the lesson for today is my happiness and my function are one. You have surely noticed an emphasis throughout our recent lessons on the connection between fulfilling your function and achieving happiness. This is because you do not really see the connection. Yet there are more than just connections between them. They are the same. Their forms are different, but their content is completely one. The ego does not constant battle with the Holy Spirit in the fundamental question of what your function is. So does the constant battle with the Holy Spirit about what your happiness is. It is not a two-way battle. The ego attack, the Holy Spirit does not respond. He knows that what his function is. He knows that it is your happiness. Today we will try to go past the wholly meaningless battle and arrive to the truth about the function. We will not engage in the ceaseless arguments about what it is. We will not become hopelessness involved in defining happiness and determining the meaning for achieving it. We will not indulge in the ego by listening to its attacks on the truth. We will merely be glad that we can find it out of the truth is. Our longer practice periods today have its purpose and acceptance of the fact that it's not only there, but it's a very real connection between the function God gave you and the happiness. But they are actually identical. God gives you only happiness, therefore the function he gave you must be happiness. Even if it appears to be different today, exercises are an attempt to go beyond these differences in appearance and recognize a common content where it exists in truth. Begin 10 to 15 minute practice periods by reviewing the following thought. God gives me only happiness. He has given my function to me. Therefore, my function must be happiness. I want to read this other part. In the shorter practice period, which would be most helpful today if undertaken twice an hour, this form of the application is suggested. My happiness and function are one because God has given me both. It says, the second premise is that God has given you your function. We have seen that you are only two parts of your mind. One is ruled by the ego and the other one is made up of illusions.